Hello everyone. Earlier today we had a few participants ask if you could highlight an entire row using conditional formatting. And the answer is yes, so let's go ahead and dive into it. In this example, our range that we've selected is everything below row 2. And I also have the conditional formatting menu open, so I'm going to click Add Another Rule. You don't always have to select everything below row 2, but in this example, this spreadsheet does require that, as the conditional formatting doesn't quite work when the first row is selected. So now that everything is selected and I have my conditional formatting rules menu open, let's go ahead and jump into format rules. To format the entire row, we're going to have to use a formula. So we're going to need to click on the options within this menu and select the very last option, Custom Formula Is. With Custom Formula selected, we're going to go ahead and add an equation into the value or formula. To make this really stand out, I'm going to change the fill color to a bright pink so we can see it change in real time. So using this value or formula space, I'm going to click the equal sign and I'm going to request that Google Sheets looks for all students. So we're going to make sure that we're referencing the column E. So to ask it to reference column E, I'm going to add space $E2. So everything below E2 is what I would like it to reference. Now I'll add another space and $, and within quotation marks I'm going to add all students. When I close my quotations, you can already see that it's highlighted every row with all students. Let's go ahead and do this with a number next. I'm going to click Add Another Rule, and you can see that my range is still highlighted the same. And below, again, I'm going to select Custom Formula Is from the drop-down menu. To determine which numbers I would like it to highlight, let's do everything less than 4. And we're going to look at valid tests. So from this list, we're going to do, again, equal sign, space, $, and because we're referencing column F, we'll do F2, and since we're going to be doing items that are less than 4, we'll use the less than sign, oops, not Z, and we'll add the number. You can see that it's highlighted some already. Let's make it really stand out with a light green, and there is my unit. I'm going to go ahead and click Done, and now we can see all the highlighting that's made throughout the document. I hope this helps. Thanks for the great questions.